Wake up. Be honest with yourself. For how long have you felt like a stranger in your own body? For how long have you sensed that the mundane, repetitive cycle of human life is a lie designed to keep your spirit in a cage? I am not here to offer you new age fluff or comfort your ego, that parasitic commentary track in your head that thrives on your limitations. I am here to facilitate a brutal alchemical process, the transmutation of your leaden, conditioned mind into the gold of cosmic recognition. You are not a biological accident. You are not a random mutation of a primate clinging to a rock. You are a star experiencing human form, and your very existence is an act of infinite intelligence. If that sounds like a metaphor to you, then your ego is already trying to protect itself. Shut it down. Listen with your blood, not your mind. The ancient masters, the architects of the Eye of Haru, understood a truth that modern religious institutions have worked tirelessly to hide. They knew that the human vessel is not a destination, it is advanced circuitry. They documented the flow of Salem, prana, and ojas because they recognized that the body is a temple meant to house something non-terrestrial. While the world keeps you distracted with karmic static and meaningless theater, they have suppressed the most vital fact of your existence. Your DNA is not human. It is a stellar code, a sophisticated piece of biochemical technology that has been intentionally throttled. The all is encoded within you, but you have been trained to see only the dirt beneath your feet. Look at the science, but look at it through the lens of the all. Every single atom in your body, the carbon in your cells, the iron in your blood, the calcium in your teeth, was forged in the hearts of stars. This is not a poetic sentiment, it is a technical, physical reality. You are literal stardust. But because your atoms are stellar, your DNA acts as a quantum antenna. This means your biology is a receiver designed to tune into the frequencies of the universe. Your double helix is not just a storage unit for hereditary traits, it is a bridge. It is a quantum instrument that operates on the principle of as above, so below. However, because you have been conditioned to believe you are only human, your antenna is currently clogged with energetic knots and karmic static, leaving you tuned to the low-frequency noise of the material world. I know what the skeptics and the lazy parts of your own mind are whispering right now. This is just science fiction. DNA is just biology. Stop. Look at your life. Are you satisfied being a sophisticated animal? If biology is all there is, why do you crave the infinite? Consider the observer effect in quantum physics. Matter behaves according to the consciousness observing it. If you observe yourself as a mere mortal, your DNA remains a dormant string of chemicals. But if you observe yourself as a quantum antenna, the circuitry begins to hum. I'm not here to convince you. I'm here to initiate those who are ready for the spiritual war of self-realization. To operate this advanced circuitry, you must acknowledge 7 technical realities. First, recognize your stellar hardware. Your body is composed of supernova remnants. Second, understand your quantum receiver. Your DNA pulls information from infinite intelligence through your pineal gland. Third, clear your bioelectrical channels. Energy must flow through the Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna without being blocked by karmic static. Fourth, commit to alchemical transmutation. Use your prana to turn your DNA into an active stellar code. Fifth, honor the law of correspondence. As above, so below. The stars are in here. Sixth, shatter the human illusion. Admit that humanity is just the hardware, but the stellar code is your true operating system. And seventh, achieve frequency alignment. Your antenna only receives what you are tuned to. If your third eye is beginning to twitch, if you feel an internal heat that your human logic cannot explain, then you are part of this activation. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is not for numbers, it is for the resonance of the collective. Help us clear the karmic static for others who are still asleep. We will now begin a technical recalibration of your biochemical technology. Sit up straight. You must align the Sushumna, the central pillar of your spine. Close your eyes and visualize your DNA as a glowing golden double helix, a quantum antenna extending from the base of your spine up through the Eye of Haru. Inhale deeply, drawing prana up through the Ida and Pingala channels. See this energy swirling like twin serpents around your spine. Hold the breath. As you hold, visualize the atoms forged in stars within your marrow beginning to vibrate. Feel the Salem rising to your pineal gland. Exhale sharply, and as you do, mentally command, activate stellar code. Repeat this until the energetic knots in your chest shatter. You are clearing the static. You are tuning the instrument. The time for playing human is over. You are in a spiritual war for your own frequency. Every time you give in to the ego's commentary track, you are sabotaging your own advanced circuitry.
Wake up. Stop seeking validation from a world that wants you to remain a biological accident. Your DNA is a quantum antenna waiting for a signal that has been broadcasting since the beginning of time. The infinite intelligence is calling. The stellar code is within you. Stop looking outside yourself for a savior. The savior is the recognition of what you actually are. As above, so below. Your power awaits in present recognition. Transmute your lead, activate your code, and never call yourself just human again.